Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these were the fair value gaps, the levels um, that we had, fair value gaps and the levels that we had drawn yesterday. And our analysis for yesterday was that if Nifty decides to fall all the way down, then it falls directly into a big zone of liquidity, and that's this green fair value gaps that we had drawn here and these levels that we had marked up. So that's exactly what happened. Nifty opened in this zone of liquidity and then it was brought all the way up, So and the day before, this fall was triggered by mainly by the downfall in the IT stocks, and then this is the natural course of correction of Nifty. So what we are seeing in Nifty is the natural course is upwards in Nifty as long as the oil prices are going down. There could be other factors that bring Nifty down intermittently, but the natural course um, seems to be bullish. Let's go to today's analysis, starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, there is no bias on Nifty. So for first timers, we analyze Nifty in different time frames from the monthly to the hourly, then monthly step by step all the way down to the hourly. So on a um, on a monthly time frame, there is no bias in Nifty. So this is a swing high and this is a lower swing high. So that's a bearish bias, and this is a swing low and there's a higher low. That's a bullish bias. So that's how we deduce a bias. There's nothing here, so that's not sure. There are two important levels to look out for. One is where the sellers are and one is where the buyers are. It's pretty simple. The swing lows. So this is where the sellers, this is where the buyers are. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty, the bias is not sure here too, because you see there was like lower highs being formed, and then the last lower high that was formed, the previous lower high that was formed, should have been protected, but that was taken out here. So there is no higher lows in the meantime that was formed, so there is no bias here. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? You see, this is a swing high and this is a lower swing high. That's why it's bearish. There are two fair value gaps that Nifty created on its way up there. So that's where all the liquidity is. And there are two important levels that we need to watch out for. These are two important levels these are swing highs inside fair value gaps. They're like high liquidity zones. So those are all the important levels that I have marked up. And going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bearish. You see this swing high and there's a low swing high, and going to an hourly time frame, it is bullish. So why is it bullish? You see this swing low and this higher swing low here. So it's sort of a mixed bag here. I wouldn't take directional trades, directional intraday high stake trades in this market, but yeah, so let's see tomorrow what happens. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.